Okay, I spent way too long in Chanel. I do have some goodies, and now let's go into Gucci. Get some of these wallets. I like this one. This green one's nice too. Classic styles. That's new. It's like a little wallet, but it's got a chain on it. This is pretty cute. I like this jumper. Also comes in blue with the bee. Gucci jumper here. And a cardigan. I love men's styles as well. Find that men's are always slightly cheaper. Look at this massive brooch. Comes in that color too. And the ring. And here are some of the new loafers. Some of the new velvet bags, some of the new slippers. Not sure if you guys like this new G design. What do you think? These are some of the newer designs. Very, very colourful. Look at that green, pink, very bright. So this is the new Ali bag in the burgundy. It's giving me a lot of vintage vibes. Very east-west sort of style. And you can actually lengthen it, the straps, and it becomes like this long. So very different. Messenger style here too. And this is another new shape. It's all this north-south shape. Don't even know the name. It was
Trampuntata.
Trampuntata.
Yeah.
Again, very, very vintagey. But Gucci's known for their florals. You guys see that the finish of this is different. Sort of looks a little bit patent-y, but it's not. So this is the new range of Cruise Marmont. Always love this bag, the rattan. So these are some of the belts, guys. This is a new one. This is a new one with the chain, but it's very, very heavy. Geez, that's very, very heavy. And then some just with the python. I really want the python, but I'm worried that I can't take it back. Oh, this is new too. I haven't seen this one with the resin. That's new as well. I do, however, like this scarf here. Because what does Mel like? Mel always likes floral. Oh, these are new. What are these? Jeez. Definitely new, and I haven't seen these before. So these are the latest sneakers for guys. Hubby's gonna try these on. It's those, just some things so I can show my male viewers. Oh, these are new as well, guys. Go into LV and have a look. Look at my hair, I'm a mess. Hi! Let's go in and have a look. So this is the new, I think it's called the Bleecker bag. Very, very cute. I like the one in epi leather though. Totally loving the Khan bag. In the reverse mono. Do I really need another one? You know, you guys know I've got the vintage one and love it, but this is so cute. Still in love with this little cutie. I just love this bag. Doesn't fit my phone though, but. So this is the Boit Chapeau. This is the new Catagram. You guys know I love the trunk. This is new today. Look at this big city steamer. Oh, look at these earrings. Too much? Love this bag too. This is also vintage inspired. And a twist and the city steamer again. And this is the newest one in the catagram. I just had to try it for you guys. Very cute for those that love this print. This is brand spanking new. Hi guys, so today we are at Diamond Head and we're going to be trekking up to see the beautiful view. So we're just at the base at the moment. It's going to be a bit hard to see, but that's the visitor center, and yeah, just looking forward to it. Such a beautiful, beautiful day today.
The doorstep, finally home. I've been gone for too long. Standing here a while just to take it all in.
We are on one of the viewpoints now. I'll just show you what I am seeing. It might be a little bit dark, but let's have a look. Can you have a look? It's such a beautiful view behind me. Hi! Miss S is doing really well. She's doing actually a lot better than Mummy, who is going a little bit slow.
And then you stood there smiling at me as so many times before. I'll never wanna be away, leave you again. You are all I want and more. It is true. If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you. It is true. Baby, how I need the loving of you.
Hey guys, so we're just in the infinity pool at the moment. Look how nice it is. It's really warm. So the sun's just about to set. We're staying at the Sheraton. So I do recommend this hotel. It's very good. It's very, very central. And there's lots of shops in the lobby. It's close to Hermes.
Waiting at the doorstep, finally home. I've been gone for too long. Standing here a while just to take it all in. Radio is playing the song.
I'm so excited. I cannot wait to tell you what I got from Hermes. It's probably something not quite what you expect, but I love it. So all will be revealed soon. Yeah, I'm just really happy. I had the best service at Hermes Waikiki. So yeah, just love it. If you go to Hermes Waikiki, definitely ask for Joyo. Amazing service. The staff are all really nice. Just gonna go back to the hotel and now we're gonna go get something to eat. So we have decided to go to Denny's for old time's sake because hubby and I went here 19 years ago. So I thought, take the kids here, have some burgers. So let's go.
Baby, how I need the loving of you.
Hey guys, just in LV at the moment and trying, I think this is the Very bag. If not, I will put the name here. But it's very similar to the Pochette Matisse. And yeah, I like this kind of chain detail, and it's, I don't know what kind of print. It's not on prawn or anything, but it's just sort of printed on. Same bag, but in a much bigger version. And this is the East-West version of the Very bag. I'm pretty sure it's called the Very. I'm not even 100% sure. Let's have a look. Yeah, see, this is the Very chain bag. So this is the Very messenger bag that I've got on in front of me. So that, and then they've got that one there as well. Check out some of these new belts. Wow, look at that. That's very zhuzh, isn't it? Even this one. Here's a new bag that's just come out. It's called the Miller bag. What do you guys think? And this is the bigger version of it. Really not sure about this bag. Look at the rainbow hardware on this. I do like the twist though. And you guys know I love the cuisine bag. What bag is this? I've never seen this either. I have no idea what bag that is. Hello. Good morning, guys. So just a bit casual today. We are going to Aloha Kitchen to try some of their souffle pancakes, and then we're off to Helena's because everyone says you need to try the Kalua pig. So that we're just going one after the other. So a little bit of a food trail because we love eating. So let's go try out the yummy food. Such a nice day. We're just walking there now. Leisurely stroll through the park. Look how tall the sun is. Miss S is here. Hubby's ahead. So we have got the berry souffle pancake and also the fruit souffle pancake. We're just sharing because we're going to go still eat after this. So let's try. Look how fluffy it is. Oh, it's so fluffy. I think I've had a souffle pancake. Bit of cream. I've missed the pancake. Okay, ready? Very fluffy. First. Super fluffy. It's really nice. Hey guys, so we're in front of Helena's. Very traditional Hawaiian food. Hubby definitely picked this place. It might not look great from the outside, but apparently it's very authentic. So let's go in and try some of the local food out. Okay, so here we go. That was super quick. So let me show you what we got. So they're very famous for their ribs. This is the fried butterfish, the luau pig, the poi, which I'm not certain about, but we've got to give it a go. I think there's just some salt for it, and this is their coconut dessert. I can't remember what it's called, but they came complimentary. So just bits, and let me just try some of the ribs. Quite tender, a lot of flavour. I like the ribs. Hi guys, so we are in Hanauma Bay. We're going to be going snorkeling today. But yeah, the kids are really looking forward to it, and yeah, they just love snorkeling. So I'll catch up with you guys soon. Japanese barbecue. There's going to be so much food. The meat, we've had the vegetables. It comes with beer and sake. I think hubby and I might be getting a little bit tipsy tonight. But yeah, heaps of food. Hi guys, so just popped into Dior again really quickly. They just got this in, which is the Toit de Joie in the burgundy. I love this design. I know it's not for everyone. This is the same price as US mainland, but for example, the Lady Dior here, it's like 350 US cheaper. So it really depends on the product, but thought I'll let you know. It's like 50% off. Now I'm more tempted again. Denim jacket. They've got this, the checkered, just a standard tweed blazer. I like this one. I know it's classic. You can't go wrong with a bar jacket. It's iconic. It's 50% off this bodysuit. I mean, I don't know if I would get it. I like the bralette, but I never thought of pink. But what do you guys think of the pink? These are also 50% off. Why do I always stumble upon the sales? Far out. These are so cute. I nearly bought these one time. This is the new Dior tote in the red, and I'll just quickly show you in here as well. I'm tempted to get this swimsuit because it's not a bad price for $3.80, but I don't really wear two pieces as much. And this is the new, I don't know what this is, but maybe a big scarf. Yes, I really like this collection. Hi guys, so we are at the Manoa Falls trail. So going to be doing this with the kids. Can't wait to see the waterfall. So yeah, I will show you the waterfall once we get up there. Yes. Look at all this greenery. Definitely looks like something out of like Jurassic Park or something. It's beautiful. Look at these trees. I love this pretty Christmas tree. Oh, just beautiful. I love this time of year. And again, more earrings. They've got my pearl droplets. They've also got these guys as well. Here is another bag from Cruise with all the rope detailing. What do you guys think of that? I'm not too sure, but let me put it on my shoulder and let's have a look. Okay, here we go. That's what it looks like. I guess you could put that behind and then do that. I think I prefer it on the shoulder. In here are some of the shoes. You know I love these mules. And look at these. All the pearl detail. And these are really nice too. I love the slingbacks. I already own them. So this one here is a repeat style. I'm pretty sure these are all the new Cruise collection here. Yep, that's cute. I like that too. And then some new colours in the ballerinas as well for Cruise. And these guys are new for Cruise as well. So this one and this one, I believe. I think that's what the essay said. Maybe not that one. Love these, as you know. This is new, not a fan of this Mary Jane. I think it looks a bit, I don't know, plain. And then the pearl detailing in the pump, which is always cute. And here are some of the latest sneakers. Wow, that's very different. Oh my goodness, look at this one. So black version, but I'm just going to call it the all black version. I think these makes great gifts. I love YSL card holders. I think they do them really well. They're SLGs. This is the faux croc print. The Lulu bag. Just show you, this is in the grey, the green. I'm sure they have like lots more colors, guys, and the black. Everyone's been loving the velvet. Also comes in a backpack, and that is the small size. I think that's, I'm not sure if they call that the medium or the large. Collage bag. This is their newer style. I'm actually not sure what this is called, but this is their, oops. So obviously it can be shoulder, and that's in the suede. Sac de jour. This is like in a sort of faux croc suede. Leopard. So this is the latest YSL bag. It is called the Nolita. So it's sisters with the Nikki. What do you guys think? So the sales associate was saying it is more cinched in compared to the Nikki. I was saying before, guys, this is the Nikki bag. And that's done pretty well for YSL. I should mention in Hawaii it is 20% cheaper than US mainland. This is the distressed sort of calf skin, I believe. And then the embossed suede croc. Blue camera bag. This is at a pretty good price point from what I remember. And back to the Lulu, and these are the belt bags. Very cute. Just want to show you this new bag. It's called the Uptown. And this is the medium, and what's very cool is that you can remove this and use it as a clutch. I love it, 2-in-1. I think I like this size better though. Let's take a look. This is a better size. Yeah, much better size. So that's a totally new shape for YSL, and I just love the idea that you can take this out and use it as a clutch. Yeah, really cute. We are so sad. It is our last dinner here in Hawaii, and we're off to house without a key. And Mrs. is wearing a pretty lace dress. This is just a Versace-esque print I bought in Maui. So comfortable. We have just loved our time here. Definitely want to come back soon.
Yes.
I don't know about soon, right?
Yeah.
This one's been like swimming nearly every day. Yeah, it's just been so, the people here are so friendly. So I will vlog when we get to the restaurant and show you what we are going to eat.
You this Christmas wish from Hawaii. Santa Waikiki shine white as snow.
So we have the cocktail shrimp, and this is a sashimi. I think it's yellow tail sashimi, if I'm not wrong. These are the starters. And this is the prime rib and the lobster tail. Hey guys! So unfortunately, our Hawaiian holiday has come to an end, and we are on our way to the terminal now. It's just been such a great holiday. Everyone thoroughly enjoyed it. I mean, besides the shopping, I loved the sightseeing so much. So it's actually raining now, so we're very lucky with the weather and everything. So if you did enjoy this vlog, I think there were probably a couple of parts. Do give this video a big thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the unboxings. Have a great day or night, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!